In an era where digital connectivity and innovation reigns supreme, the prospect of launching an e-commerce business with a minimal budget is more feasible than ever. The landscape of online entrepreneurship has evolved, providing ample opportunities for aspiring business owners to turn their dreams into reality without a significant financial investment. Whether you're a passionate individual with a unique product idea or a savvy entrepreneur looking to capitalize on emerging trends, this video will walk you through 7 strategic steps to kickstart your e-commerce journey with a budget of $0. From leveraging free online tools to adopting creative marketing strategies, we'll explore practical approaches that empower you to establish and grow your e-commerce business without breaking the bank. So without any further delay, let's dive straight into the video. Step 1. Choose your niche. The first step in your journey to e-commerce success is choosing the right niche. Selecting your niche is like setting the foundation for your business. Go beyond just identifying what you love. Analyze the market to discover where your expertise meets consumer demand. Look for gaps in the market that align with your passions. Use online tools like Google Trends, keyword research, and industry reports to validate your niche choice and ensure there's a viable market for your products or services. Step 2. Research your market. Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to dive into market research. Market research is an ongoing process that goes beyond analyzing competitors. It involves studying your target audience's behavior, preferences, and pain points. Utilize tools like surveys, interviews, and focus groups to gather qualitative data. Dive into quantitative data through analytics tools to understand website traffic, conversion rates, and user engagement. Stay vigilant about industry trends, emerging technologies, and shifts in consumer behavior to position your business as an innovative and responsive player in the market. Step 3. Leverage free e-commerce platforms. When selecting your e-commerce platform, it's crucial to explore the full potential of free features. Platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Big Cartel offer not only basic online store functionality, but also various plugins, themes, and integrations on their free plans. Familiarize yourself with these tools through online tutorials and forums. Test the waters by utilizing free trials of premium features to determine their impact on your business. The goal is to create a seamless and visually appealing online store without investing a substantial amount upfront. Step 4. Create compelling content. Content creation is an ongoing process that extends beyond product promotion. Develop a content calendar that aligns with your brand narrative and resonates with your target audience. Experiment with different content formats, such as blog posts, videos, infographics, and podcasts. Invest time in crafting engaging product descriptions that not only highlight features, but also address potential customer concerns. Encourage user-generated content by running contests, sharing customer testimonials, and creating a space for your audience to share their experiences with your products. Step 5. Utilize social media marketing. Social media is a dynamic landscape that requires a strategic approach. Optimize your profiles on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and Pinterest by ensuring consistent branding and compelling visuals. Develop a content strategy that incorporates a mix of promotional content, behind-the-scenes glimpses, user-generated content, and industry-related posts. Leverage the power of Instagram stories, Facebook groups, and Pinterest boards to diversify your content and reach different segments of your audience. Actively engage with your followers by responding to comments, starting conversations, and participating in relevant trending topics to create a vibrant and engaged community around your brand. Step 6. Networking and collaborations. Networking is an art that involves building meaningful relationships within your industry. Attend virtual events, participate in online forums, and actively contribute to discussions to establish your presence. Reach out to influencers, thought leaders, and fellow entrepreneurs in your niche, not just with the aim of collaboration, but also to share insights and experiences. Propose collaborations that go beyond a simple exchange and provide mutual value. Building a strong network not only expands your reach, but also opens doors to valuable insights, partnerships, and opportunities that can propel your e-commerce venture forward. Step 7. Optimize for SEO. Search engine optimization is a continuous process that requires a strategic approach. Conduct thorough keyword research using tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and SEMrush. Optimize your product pages, meta titles, and image alt text with these keywords to enhance your website's visibility on search engines. Regularly audit your website for technical SEO aspects such as site speed, mobile responsiveness, and crawlability. Monitor your website's performance using free SEO tools and Google Analytics. making data-driven decisions to stay ahead of the competition and consistently improve your organic search presence. Starting your e-commerce business with $0 in 2024 is not just a possibility, it's a smart move. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and consumer behavior is increasingly shifting towards online shopping. By following these 7 steps, you can build a foundation for a successful e-commerce venture without the need for a significant upfront investment. Seize the opportunity to be part of the growing e-commerce industry and turn your passion into a profitable online business. The e-commerce industry continues to experience exponential growth, with more consumers opting for the convenience of online shopping. Starting now allows you to tap into this expanding market. In conclusion, the e-commerce landscape is ripe with opportunities in 2024, and starting your online business with zero initial investment is an achievable goal. And there you have it, folks. We hope you found these tips on starting your e-commerce business with no upfront costs in 2024 helpful. If you're ready to dive into the world of online entrepreneurship, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more valuable insights and strategies.